Here are some squishies I made. First we got this donut that is really squishy. I made it with memory foam that ripped off my bed. So it makes it really squishy. This is a strawberry donut. It was supposed to be pink, but it turned out red on the sponge. Here's a cute little squishy bun I made. It's really squishy too. It's got his little tongue sticking out. He's really cute. That's the ones that are dried. I got more squishies. These are dried now. Well, almost. They're good enough to squish now. But I had a squishy toast that looked really good, and then a black dot got on it and it looked really bad, so I had to throw it out and I got really mad. And I don't have enough brown left to make the cross, so that's just bumming me out now. And it's whatever. Here's a squishy bun, a smaller one. Here's a squishy cake. And that is my squishies.